In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the difference between TurboTax versions in 2026. If you're trying to decide which TurboTax option is right for you, the best place to begin is the TurboTax pricing or product comparison page. This page gives you a side-by-side view of the available versions. So instead of guessing, you can quickly see which one fits your tax situation. Taking a minute to compare the options up front can save you time and help you avoid choosing a version with features you don't need or missing one that would be useful. Once you're on the comparison page, review the main TurboTax versions available online. The first option is Do It Yourself. This version is designed for people who want to prepare and file their own taxes while following guided instructions along the way. It's a good fit if you're comfortable entering your own information and want support from the software as you go. The next option is Expert Assist. With this version, you still file your own taxes, but you also get unlimited help from a tax expert. This can be especially helpful if you want more confidence during the process or expect to have questions as you work through your return. The third option is Expert Full Service. With this one, a tax expert prepares, reviews, and files your return for you. This is the most hands-on support option and is ideal if you'd rather have a professional take care of the filing process from start to finish. If you're using the desktop version instead of the online version, you'll want to compare a different set of products. Deluxe is generally best for common tax situations and for maximizing deductions. Premier is better suited for people with investments, cryptocurrency activity, or rental property income. Home and Business is typically the right choice for self-employed individuals, freelancers, and small business owners, since it includes tools designed for more complex income and expense situations. As you compare these versions, pay close attention to the features, pricing, and included services for each one. That includes looking at the level of expert help, the types of tax situations covered, and whether the version supports the forms and guidance you may need. Even if two options seem similar at first, those details can make a big difference. From there, choose the version that best matches your tax situation and filing needs. The right choice depends on how much help you want, how complex your taxes are, and whether you're filing personally for investments or for business-related income. When you're ready to move forward, click Start for free, learn more, or buy now to continue with your selected version. Thanks for watching.